Hey, this is Grace Hayes, and you're listening to 97.7 K-Wink Reno.
He sneezed in three, swept me straight on my feet again with those hazel eyes, lips like cinnamon gum. And I tried to hide just how that I felt for him, but I didn't go far. I'm a bad liar whose heart won't start until he makes it beat again with those corny hands cuffed right over my face. He'll say, it's okay, my darling, just breathe me in. It'll all go away. Yeah, if only can have as much as I can, I would not be stuck here with a boy on my mind. No, no, if only love have as much as I love, the more on my mind. Oh, did what he pleased, moved to school back in Maryland with that brilliant mind, shining brighter than gold. He told me no, he'd never leave again, and so it goes. But I'm here, no fear, my dear. I'll hold my breath for you and count to three. Chip the windowsill pane until I get your gaze, or until I faint. Baby girl, don't you wait for no silly boy to come your way and sweep you off your feet with his cute allergies. Baby girl, don't you cry, shed a tear over no dry guy. He'll sweep you off your feet. Don't matter if he's sneezing threes. If only he can have as much as I can, I would not be stuck here with a boy on my mind. No, no, if only love have as much as I love, I would not be stuck here with a boy on my mind. No, I sneeze in twos, knocked him straight